Today we're making mashed potatoes that are so creamy they practically melt in your mouth. If you love silky textures and an option of bold garlic, you're in the right place.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
We'll start with about 3 large potatoes. I'm weighing them on a kitchen scale for accuracy. These 3 potatoes weigh a little over 3 pounds, exactly 3.11 pounds. This is enough for 10 servings. Next, we're peeling. Let's cut these in half, then into smaller pieces. Try to keep them the same size so they cook evenly. Give them a good rinse, then transfer them to a pot of water. Add about a teaspoon of salt to the water, then bring them to a boil and cook on medium-high heat until they're fork tender. You can adjust the heat as needed. While they cook, I'm going to prepare garlic for a garlic forward mash. I'll mince 3 garlic cloves, or you can use a garlic press like I'll be using here today. If you don't like garlic, you can skip this step. You can find the garlic press and all other tools I use in the description below or in my bio for other platforms. Next, I'm chopping some chives. These are long, so I'll chop 2, fairly fine. You want enough to sprinkle on top as a garnish.
You're watching Rose Oatley. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of any new videos.
It's been about 40 minutes and the potatoes are done. I'm going to let them drain in the sink while we work on the rest. In a small pot, add 1 stick of butter. I'm just using half sticks here. Melt the butter, then add your minced garlic and stir for about 30 seconds. Just turn the heat down a bit so you don't burn the garlic. Next, add 1 cup of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. This rich combination gives you super creamy mashed potatoes. Stir to combine and warm the mixture. You don't want to pour cold milk into hot potatoes. This helps keep the texture smooth and prevents lumps. Heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until warmed through. Add to a cup, then set aside. This gave me 2.5 cups total. I'm mashing the potatoes using a potato ricer. If you don't have a ricer, a potato masher works too, but I highly recommend the ricer for the smoothest texture. Now back to the stove. Turn the heat to medium and gradually add the warm dairy to the potatoes, mixing as you go. The exact amount depends on how thick or creamy you like them, so go slowly and adjust to your preference. I personally ended up using all of it, but I think 2.25 cups would have been perfect. Now season with salt and pepper to taste. Taste as you go and adjust until it's perfect for you. As a little extra, I like to add 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. Just give it a good mix. Now let's go plate. I've plated the mashed potatoes in a serving bowl. I like a few slices of butter on top. The heat from the potatoes will melt it into a glossy, luxurious finish. Then I garnish with the chopped chives and a parsley leaf in the center for a little pop of color. If you prefer dill or green onions, feel free to use those instead. And there you have it, creamy garlic mashed potatoes that pair perfectly with your turkey or your next meal. Mashed potatoes are always a must with our turkey, so tell me in the comments, what are your 2 must-have sides when you're serving turkey? Drop them below.
If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking!